like the uncomfortable silence. Even though I've already started rolling, I like to just sort of draw that uncomfortable silence out. It adds that tension, that creative tension you need. Anyway, Dan Olds, the Register, here at the GPU Conference 2010 in San Jose, talking to Doug Miles of the Fortran Group. And you guys were in the news yesterday.
We were. We made an announcement yesterday that we are developing a CUDA-C compiler that will allow programmers to compile CUDA-C applications to run on multi-core x86 platforms.
Now, when we were just talking, you talked quite a bit about the, I don't want to say it's compile once, run anywhere, because it's really not, but it's approaching, it's heterogeneous multi-core systems. That was the term you used.
Correct. Heterogeneous many-core.
Many-core, sorry.
Yes, the ability to take a CUDA program and build it in a way that will use GPU devices if they are present in the system, or will use the multiple cores and SSE capability of Intel or AMD CPUs if there is no GPU present. So it increases the portability of those applications, not to any system, but to x86 plus GPU systems, regardless of whether a GPU is present.
So you have a program that's running, it's CUDA, it's running on GPUs. You can recompile it using your new tool that's going to be coming out and run that same program on x86,
That's
Intel
correct.
AMD.
That's correct.
Okay. Does it go the other way? From x86 to...
That's a good question, a fair question. So today what we're looking at is the ability to compile CUDA-C applications for multi-core x86. Clearly most of those applications were developed on GPUs. And I think your question is, well, will people just write CUDA-C to run on multi-core x86? And I think we don't know the answer to that today. So that's a question to be answered as this evolves.
That's something I'm sure you're watching as well.
Sure.
So it's been a pretty good show for you guys then.
It has.
I've heard your name in the halls quite a bit.
Yeah.
Not you personally, but the Fortran Group.
Yes.
How big a company are you?
Well, we don't release information on the size of the company.
Okay.
We have been providing x86 compilers, optimizing x86 compilers for many years, and proven that we're big enough to compete with Intel on Intel processors, AMD processors, and we'll just leave it at that.
Okay, great. Well, thanks a lot. I appreciate the time.
All right, thank you.
Talk to you later. Bye-bye.